Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly on what I would do if I sign my first client, my second client, my third client, so on and so forth, and what you can also do or what you can do to start building a relationship even if you sign your first client pa lang, so that it becomes your habit na with the next clients or the people you do business with. And you can do this not only sa agency game or sa freelancing game, but even in everything that you do business with, for you to be able to build relationships from the get-go. When I say get-go, it means from the very beginning. Okay? So, number one, first stage when signing a client, what I usually do is I send them something as a sign of celebrating with them. So, it can be a hamper, a bottle of wine, or a dozen of donuts delivered to their office or house. And I usually do this for two reasons. Number one, it doesn't cost me too much, no? Yung hamper bottle, by the way, yung hamper, guys, hamper is something that you can buy from Amazon. I'm gonna give you an example, no, an example of hamper here sa Philippines is we have a lot of this in the malls. Nakita mo yung mga basket sa malls na maraming isang basket sa grocery tapos marami siyang food inside, like may mga spaghetti, corned beef, may mga for salad tapos nakarap siya into plastic. And then nakaput sa basket, yan yung tinatawag na hamper. And you can find a lot of hampers from Amazon that would not cost you too much, guys. Like, siguro $100 or less, or even $50 or less. And especially a bottle of wine or a dozen of donuts delivered to their office or their house. And of course, when you sign a client, you would know their name, their contact number, their email, their address. This is your chance to send them something to show a sense of celebration with them. Are you getting this? And of course, I usually do this. Number one, it's not costly. And number two, from the get-go pa lang, from the very beginning, they would feel that you're not just closing the deal, you're not just working with them for the money, but you're working with them because you are really happy that you are working with them. You prove when you say na I'm happy working with you. You know what I mean? So parang, if there's a sense of celebration, you're gonna be, from that very point pa lang, no, that you're gonna give them a sense of celebration, you are going to differentiate yourself already from all those people that they have worked with. Kasi not all people do this. Siguro out of 100 people, only 2 to 3 people do this. Right? So, I want you to be different from the people that they have worked with, and I want you to be different from your past self if hindi mo pa to siya ginagawa. And I tell you one thing, magugustuhan to every single time. Now, number two, I want you to know their birthdays. Business anniversary, and when they started the business, you want to know, like, for example, when you guys started the call, like, guys, if I may ask, when have you started the business? And you know what? If you haven't been asking these questions over a discovery call or sales call, it just shows that you don't truly care for the business. Okay? I'm going to tell you straight and direct, ha? Because if you truly care, you would wanted to know more about it. Like, when have you started the business? I wanted to know. And then, from that very simple question lang during a sales call or discovery call, they would feel like, oh wait, bakit ganito si Chris? Bakit ganito si ganyan? 'Di ba? Parang iba siya sa ibang mga tao na nakausap ko who's just trying to offer a service. You know what I mean? And from that point on, hindi ka na makakalimutan. Okay? And special occasions, if you can know, if you have the opportunity to know. And of course, this one is very, very basic ito. Okay? This can be an opportunity kasi to send them something that will make them happy sometime or later down the line, that you know it's the date to send them something. Okay? And number three, it's not always business. It's also relationships that you make and build that lets them remember. That you make and build that lets them remember you and sees you as someone different. And I tell you guys, the reason why we're doing this, from the past video and this one, diba, yung mga fundamentals, you cannot just offer referrals right away, do business right away without building a relationship. You are here, okay, because you want to be taught. I'm sharing with you my personal experience, how I retain my clients. And I tell you, I have clients in my agency more than 1 year. As of this date that I'm shooting this video, more than 1 year with me. Because they love doing business with me. Not only with business, I know how to handle relationships. I want you to practice that. Show gratitude. Show them that you're part of them. And even show them that their achievement is also your achievement. Celebrate with them. That's one thing that I want you to put in your mind. And before we end this video, I want to share with you a screenshot of one of my clients who went happy when I sent them something, no? By the way, Lana, this client of mine is the wife, no, of the business owner. And I told her, I knew it's his husband's birthday. Can you send him a gift, a cake from me, and just deduct it from the payable that you have for this month? And sabi niya, oh, that's so nice of you. Will do, thank you. I'll buy something small from you, thank you. And then when his husband Sergey got it, sabi niya, cake was great, thank you, Christy. Awesome, hope you guys enjoy it together, brother. So yeah, you see, I just call my client brother because that's how the relationship went through together. When it comes to, you're able to let them feel that you're not just there to offer service for them and make money from their business, but you're actually them, as you're actually there to become their marketing business partner, and you celebrate with them, and you go to the lows with them, and you go to the highs with them. You know what I mean? So it's very important before you actually refer clients, refer more business to them, or ask for referrals, build actual sincere relationships. And later on, okay, if you're able to apply this, it's so easy to get referrals because yung trust sobrang taas na. It's not even a doubt, it's not even a question, because they know that you are a proper person. And of course, I want to ask you right now, just think of it, just assess. Would you refer somebody, okay? Would you refer somebody to someone na alam mo hindi naman siya peak performance yung ano niya, yung kanyang attitude, 'di ba? Hindi, because mapapahiya ka. It's also your reputation. But if you're able to work with somebody na alam mo na ang galing niya, alam mo marunong siya mag-handle ng relationships, even if that person doesn't ask you for business or referrals, automatic ka, magre-refer ka sa kanya. And later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo ng screenshot na meron din akong mga clients that they themselves are referring clients to me without even me asking. And that is crazy, right? It's because I was able to build relationships with them. So that's it for this video. I hope you are enjoying and you are learning. I'm gonna see you in the next training video.